वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। सो दिस इज़ आरव, ये मेरा बेटा है और ये कुल मिला के 9.5 साल का है। एंड दिस इज़ मी डेफिनेटली रेनू। एंड हम बहुत टाइम से like just him and me have not been out, and it's been long hectic work for me for the last couple of weeks. So I had been thinking of taking him out. So I've gone to Irani Cafe. This is an outlet quite close to my house. This is in Kalyani Nagar in Pune. So if you're from Pune, probably you'll know this place. And it's a very nice, cute outlet. I personally like it. It is because convenience बहुत नज़दीक है मेरे घर से, but बन मस्का jam, bun maska, chai and coconut cake is absolutely delicious. And this boy is at his antiques best. So he and me have caught up on a lot of things. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम घर पे नहीं करते, but this boy in general has too much to talk. If I can talk so much, I'm sure you can imagine this boy is 10x of me. So that's how he is. He had so many things to discuss, like cars and bikes and their engines and their tires and their whatnot, their silencers. And I'm like, okay, I do get it. I mean, on the top layer of it, but I'm not someone who's that, car and bike junkie. So I don't get the nitty-gritties of it, but nonetheless, it was fun listening to him yapping. And so we caught up on a lot of things, and iske saath while we were enjoying this nice snack time between us, we also argued on a lot of things what to order next. And then we landed up ordering a lemon cake along with some soda, which landed to be jeera soda. Nothing different from the jeerus that you get, but yeah, I mean that was something which we just stopped our order on. Obviously इतना कुछ खा पी के हम बहुत ही ज़्यादा फुल हो चुके थे, and it was absolute necessary that हम जाके थोड़ा सा we walk it out and enjoy our time. So an extended hour and a half in the park just nearby. So again, if you're someone from this area, you would know there is a joggers park right besides this outlet, and it's a very nice park. They have a nice walking track, a running track, a jogging track as well. They have a beautiful garden in between, and which is quite spacious, by the way. And then they have a play area and a gym area as well. So just enjoying the spring vibes here. It's very pretty, calm, peace. Luckily, I mean, it was a Saturday, and लगा ही नहीं यार, मतलब यहाँ पर कोई भीड़ नहीं, कुछ नहीं. So which I actually like it this way itself. And while this guy went and hopped on to doing some gym activities and play area, I was enjoying this nice peaceful walk. So this is me enjoying all the beauty, the vibes of this park. It's been a long time I didn't come here. जब ये छोटा था ना, हम बहुत बार आते थे, बट अब थोड़ा कम हो गया है, and I think I should come frequently. You see how beautiful this place looks in the evening as well. And for a bit I'll leave you with the scenery. And इसके साथ साथ this boy really wanted to pick up the phone and do some shooting. So we did some selfie videos, if that makes sense, and we clicked some pictures. इसके साथ साथ he wanted to try photography as well, and he's also done some bits and pieces of it. So you can just that's him trying that out. फिर हमने कुछ मस्ती की है, and we just played around here and there, but it was really a fun-filled day. I really enjoyed this time. I think अगर आप लोग को भी ऐसे थोड़ा घर के एटमॉस्फेयर से कहीं बाहर जाना है, just go around, just take your kids around or the people you love, just move around, eat, enjoy. And that's how it was. So do let me know how do you feel about it. But I really enjoyed it. I don't know if you can see it from our faces. It was a very good duo son time. And see you soon in the other vlogs. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Bye.